Hey guys, in this makeover I am going to be refinishing this little coffee table and we will be doing some decoupage. If you're interested to see what I do to it, just keep watching. Here's all the items we are going to be using to make over this table. We've got the blue sketched flowers, silk mineral paint and Nautilus, Dixie Belle Slick Stick, Dixie Belle Clear Coat, we've got the angled mini, and I'm also going to be using the Scarlet brush. Prior to filming, this piece did get a good scuff sand all over, and it was cleaned with Dixie Belle's White Lightning to make sure that all of the dust, gunk, goo, and residue was removed from this piece. So now I'm coming in with Dixie Belle Slick Stick, and I'm just going to be painting this inset top. And the reason we're only doing the inset top is this is where our decoupage papers are going to go, and I want them to be able to stand out. And of course with oak, you know that there is a ton of bleed through with it, so I went ahead with Slick Stick just so that I could have a good gripping primer for my decoupage paper as well, because my decoupage paper will be going directly on top of my primer, and I will be adding a total of 2 coats to the top. Now that the primer is dry, I'm going to go ahead and cut off all of the edges of my decoupage paper so that I can match them up seamlessly on the top of this table. I lined up my first 4 sheets of decoupage paper just to gauge the placement of where I wanted these to be on the top of my table. Now I'm coming in with Dixie Belle's Satin Clear Coat and the angled mini brush and just applying the clear coat underneath the first decoupage paper. Once I smooth all of that out, I'm coming back over it with some more satin clear coat, and we're kind of making a decoupage paper sandwich. So we've got satin clear coat, our decoupage paper, and more satin clear coat. And we will be repeating this entire process until the top of our table is fully covered. While I wait for my clear coat to dry on the decoupage paper, I'm coming in with Dixie Belle Silk Mineral Paint in the color Nautical, and I'm applying it with the Scarlet brush. I will be doing a total of 2 coats all over the entire piece. If you've never tried the silk line before, I highly encourage you to do so, as it's perfect for those one-day makeovers because you don't have to prime and you don't have to seal. Now, oak, as you know, is a bleeder. This is one that we typically would like to prime before we paint, but I did not have any issues with bleed through at all with the silk paint. So hats off the silk. It is one of the best all-in-one paints I have ever used. With the clear coat fully dry on our decoupage paper, I'm coming in with a sharp razor blade and trimming off the excess. To paint the inner lip of this tabletop, I opted to use a detail brush, and I just went very slowly along the edges, trying to make sure that my lines were clean and crisp as possible. And In doing so, I pretty much had to hold my breath and also hold my mouth just right to get those clean lines. It did take a while, but again, it's worth it in the end because the lines look so crisp and clean and it just looks so professionally done. So it does pay off to have patience and go slow sometimes. Now before this piece is officially done, I do want to add another coat of the satin clear coat on top of the decoupage paper just for that extra durability, and I am applying it with the angled mini brush. And here is our final stage reveal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see y'all next time. Bye.